Hey students, feeling overwhelmed by schoolwork and struggling to stay focused? You're not alone. But fear not, we've got some powerful strategies to help you conquer distractions and achieve academic success. This video is packed with tips and tricks to transform you into a focused, goal-crushing student machine. Let's face it, staying focused can be a challenge. Between social media, a never-ending to-do list, and maybe even a rumbling tummy, distractions are everywhere. But don't worry, we've got your back. Here's the first step. Define your vision. Take some time to craft a clear picture of your academic dreams. Is it getting accepted to a specific university? Landing your dream job? Write down your vision in detail. This will be your guiding light throughout your academic journey. And if you need help defining your vision, Ajmaniify has a team of amazing college advisors who can help you brainstorm and refine your academic goals. Now that you know your destination, let's break it down. Break it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming. So take your academic vision and break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Think of it like creating a roadmap for your academic journey. This will help you stay motivated and keep you on track. Okay, vision defined, goals broken down, what's next? Conquer distractions. Be honest with yourself. What pulls your focus away from your studies? Is it your phone? A messy workspace? Once you identify your distractions, you can develop strategies to minimize their impact. Silence your phone notifications, utilize apps to block distracting websites, and create a dedicated study space that's free from clutter. Feeling the focus superpowers kicking in yet? We're not done yet. Reward yourself. Staying focused requires positive reinforcement. Schedule breaks and reward yourself for completing tasks or achieving milestones. A quick walk, a fun hobby, or catching up with friends can be great motivators to keep you going. You're almost there. Here are 2 more power-up moves. Build your support system. Surround yourself with positive and goal-oriented individuals. Connect with classmates who share your academic aspirations. Consider joining a study group for peer support and brainstorming sessions. Practice mindfulness. Distractions often stem from a cluttered mind. Incorporate mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing into your routine to enhance focus and reduce anxiety. There you have it. These are just some of the strategies you can use to stay focused and achieve your academic goals. Remember, staying focused is a continuous process. There will be setbacks and distractions along the way. But by implementing these tips and tricks and seeking help when needed, you can significantly increase your chances of academic success. Visit our website to learn more.